Hey, what's up everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture. On my way to the gym. Figured I'd do a nice little on the road video, switch it up for you guys a little bit, and talk about the craziness happening right now in the crypto world. I guess really no surprises, right? It's January. This really happens every January if you look back over the years. And with that being said, it's pretty crazy because I talk about history repeating itself, and it's definitely repeating itself. So I don't know why this year would be any different. I think I was kind of thinking it was a little different. A lot of people were, just because there's been way more exposure to the markets, to Bitcoin, to Litecoin. And, you know, the sentiment has been just a little bit different. However, right now we are, we're really following that January trend down. And what's very surprising is the fact that we broke that 220 support, which I really thought was going to hold up. And now we're really testing that 200 support. And I guess the thing that I'm looking at the most right now is the fact that we kind of went to a descending triangle. And if you remember my previous videos, we were kind of, you know, forming that really nice consolidation with the lower highs and the higher lows in the symmetrical triangle. And I really thought a breakout was kind of maybe on its way, a potential breakout up. However, that did not happen, and we kind of broke that continuation pattern, and now we're really kind of forming a new pattern, which is the descending triangle. So really what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for, well, first let's talk about the descending triangle. I mean, most times, I think the general rule of thumb is probably 60 to 70% of the time a descending triangle really will break and will break down. The triangle is bearish. However, there are times where it breaks up, and you know, that could very well happen. I think for it to break up and break out of the descending triangle, we probably need to really make a move towards the 240 area. And I mean, I'm not sitting in front of a chart right now, but I'm pretty sure that's what the area would be. So there might be a lot of resistance trying to catch, or you know, break through 230 up to 240. But if we can do that, we might have a new pattern forming and a new channel forming. However, you know, right now it's rocky waters. The People's Bank of China, there was a bunch of fear, uncertainty, and doubt coming out. You know, they're calling to ban crypto, and you know, this is just adding to the January fuel. So that fuels the fire, right? So with that being said, I guess we just have to keep an eye on it. You have to be cautious right now. It's a crazy, volatile time. You know, I did buy right at that 220 resistance or support yesterday, and it broke. We broke through. So you know, I picked up a little bit more of the 200 area, but I've talked in my last few videos about possibly, you know, buying more in the 150 to 180 area. And if we break this support at 200, we very well might be hitting those prices. So it's just something to realistically think about and prepare for, because if this happens, there could be good buying opportunity. You know, long term, of course, you know, I'm really not worried at all, but it's crazy to see it happen time and time again at this time of year. And you know, if you're used to it, I guess these corrections aren't as crazy, but you have to think of all the new people that have been investing in the last, you know, 1 to 2 months, and all the new money that is in the market right now that is freaking out because they were expecting some massive gains, and they were expecting to ride whatever coin they're in just to the moon. And you know, they're definitely getting a reality check right now, and I think overall it's very healthy for the market. So let's just keep an eye on it, right? It's all we can do. Not making any predictions because anything can happen. It's very exciting, it's very cool. But anyway, I'm gonna get to working out. I really appreciate you watching the video, stopping by. Have an awesome day, and God bless.